Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to create that smooth in After Effects style circle transition right inside Alight Motion. No After Effects needed. So first you can just open Alight Motions and import two clips. Click on the plus button and choose your project screen ratio in here. Tap on create project. So click on the plus button to import the clip. Go to media. Okay, so I've already add two pictures like this. You can do it with pictures or clip, and you can just arrange them back to back on the timeline. Now you can just add a circle shape mask. So click on the plus button, tap on shape and choose the circle one like this, and you can resize it so it cover the center of the screen like this, and change the fill color to white for masking like this, and center the circle on the screen. Now you can just animate the circle. So at the start of the transition, so you can just add two keyframes at the start in here, the start of the transition, and set the scale into 0 or make the circle small and put it in the center. And on the second keyframes in here, make it big or make it cover the whole screen like this. And now you can just use the circle as a mask. So select your first clip in here and the circle, and you can just group them and tap on blending and opacity. Go to mask and choose alpha mask, and now the circle reveals the clip smoothly. And on the second clip, when the circle covers the screen fully like this, you can cut your second clip like this, and then add a reverse circle animations. So that's how you can make a smooth After Effects style circle transition in Alight Motion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.